Hello. We are going to go into the Anatomy and Physiology Google Classroom for the upcoming school year. I've already uploaded some information on here that as examples for things that will happen as we go throughout the year. Just starting off with, when you are coming, if you want to find this on your computer screen, just starting with Google. When you get there, just going over here, Google Classroom will come up. You will click on, you should have a list of classes over here that you've been invited to, and this one will be, you'll be invited to come into. But this is how you would get to the Google Classroom each time that you want to open it up. Just kind of looking at a few things on here. You have stream, classwork, and people. The classwork, if you scroll down, is where you can find different assignments that you have. For example, here's anatomy list for urinary system. Okay, different structures that you will be memorizing. If you come up here, you have the meat dissection guide. So second semester in April time frame when we dissect the mink. You have some different things that go with what to do, how to do it. Okay, so when you're looking through, you can find, helps you find different parts of the mink. Some other assignments that you have up here, example, if you just kind of go through, this will be like a Word document, an exercise that we'll do throughout the year. These will be done after we do kind of some initial notes in a chapter. This is just to kind of help you increase your knowledge of the information, doing more hands-on work. Sometimes for this example, it's doing different sketches. Sometimes it is also using the models to find different parts on the model. But again, just familiarizing yourself with the anatomy is one of the big parts for this. Some other things that you'll see on here. Also, this is just sometimes you'll have like a question that'll be posted, and sometimes the questions are future kind of short answer type topics. For example, this is what protects the stomach from its own HCl. As you'll learn, HCl is used to digest protein. We are made out of protein, so something in the stomach has to be there in order for the stomach not to be digested by itself. And you will be learning that eventually. If you go over here to stream, you can see all of the information. Okay, so you'll notice there's spots here where you can share something with the class. You can upload something. You can type in a question. If you want to type in something, you would click post. Also, FYI, I can also block you from this if need be. So just you want to be appropriate in what you type in. As you go down, you'll see some things, like for example, here's a post, and I've posted a picture of some different parts of the overall digestive system. Again, these are things to be used throughout the class. You get different diagrams. Also, as you go through, sometimes maybe even looks like I have some. Also, here's something else. You can see on the stream page, you can see what the classwork was. All these things are on the classwork page as well. If you scroll down, here's a video that I posted.
What exactly happens in our stomachs when we eat? Even before we have taken the first bite of a meal, the brain sends impulses to the stomach.
Okay, I'm going to pause there, so I don't need to watch it all right now. Some other things as you go through. Here is the exercise that was posted on the other part. Here's a link to some stomach issues. Okay, ulcer of the stomach. So we'll talk about stomach cancer. Heartburn. It's right here. So again, I'll have links on here that may help you. Also, I try to post some of the diagrams without any of the labels on them, just to help you, just to give you like practice that you can see them visually, and you can kind of going through and pointing to it and kind of doing a mental part of practicing where is the body of the stomach, where is the rugae of the stomach, where's the different sphincters in the stomach, just things, where's the lesser curvature, where's the greater curvature, helping you recall and helping you practice without the words on here, kind of give you some openings to go ahead and do some other work without, makes you think more as you do the work. Other things that you'll notice, again, I will post pictures on your off and on websites, assignments, other things. Also, you'll notice some things there are, let me see, if you go to classwork, some things will actually have, it will say when it's posted and if there's a due date. For example, right here, April 24th, which is already passed, is the due date. You need to have this question answered by April 24th. So just as you notice, there's things on here that you'll notice that things are due. Maybe things are just information for you to help with doing some other assignment. But whatever it is, though, these are some different parts of the Google Classroom that we will use. Hopefully this will help you in your learning, and this should be, again, just beneficial to help you understand the material.